Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to paint this beautiful Christmas card. So it's a snowman, and of course it's winter time, so I think it's a perfect time to paint this kind of card, and I'll show you how to do it easily. Okay, so let's start. First of all, by taping the corners. So I like the feel of these edges, so let's let's put the tape here on this one. For this I always use these washi tapes. I've used quite a lot of them. So I have taped all the ends, and now let's start drawing this snowman, for which I'm just going to use a regular pencil. So first of all, we are going to make a curve for the snowman's face. And then let's make a slanting line for the hat of the snowman, and just give some curvy line and take it upwards like this. And let's make a muffler here, so it should be a curve like this, and little curvy lines, and I'm going to drop it here. It doesn't have to be perfect, so don't worry. And also let's make the curve here and here. So that's the basic drawing of the snowman, and let's add long nose. Okay, and we are going to add 2 eyes, and then we will just add dotted line and a smile. And afterwards we will add this branch, which will act as the arm of the snowman. So that's the basic drawing, and let me erase the extra lines. So for the brushes, I'm going to use mostly these 3 brushes. So this one is a mop brush number 3, this one is a mop brush number 1, and this is a 2 number round brush. You can use any round brushes, whatever is comfortable for you. So let me use this one and do the background first. And for the background I will be using this Payne's gray color, which is a bluish gray, because it's a winter night sky, so I want to use this particular color. I love this color, it's beautiful. This granulated background effect, I will be using white salt. You can use the regular salt as well. And while this is still wet, I'm going to drop few granules of it on the wet paint. So it's going to give you, as I drop it, you can see how it's creating and soaking in the paint. So this one is almost dry, so without dusting off the salt, I will start with the snowman now, and for which I'm going to switch to a smaller round brush. And for the snowman's face, I will be using very light gray shade, and for the muffler, hat, and for these two things I will be using a very browny tone of the color. Let's paint the cap and the muffler first. So I'll just take this brown. This is a burnt sienna color, and I will mix a little bit of black to it so as to make it even darker. So it's very easy and simple technique to use, and for that it's just that you need to carefully start lining the edge of the cap, okay, and then randomly just put some lines and drop in some color, maybe here and here, and then just rinse off your brush, and then with a very clean brush, just the water, you're going to just go over this paint. Just cover the white spaces, that's it. And even if you do not cover the whole white spaces, it looks very natural. That's how, very easy. And the same way we are going to do with the muffler. Let's move and paint the snowman's face. For that, I just told you that I will only be using very light wash of black, so it's just the same thing. I'm going to just do a little bit outlining around the nose, okay, like that, and just like this. And the same way I'm going to do here, and then just use a clean brush and just spread everything here, so it will automatically take the color. So if you feel that it's more, or it looks even more, so what you can do for that is just take your paper towel, wipe it off, and just pick some color from here, just like this. And the same way, let's paint here, spread this color. Like I told you, you can always add more color if you like, okay. So feel or do whatever you feel like. So I will let this dry now, and we will come back to do the finishing touches. Here I will just add a little bit more of black, just very tiny little bit while this is still wet, and just a little bit here to give some depth, and little bit here. So like I told you, do wherever and whatever you like. So I like to add while it's semi-wet, it's not completely dry, I like to add these colors, so this way they don't move that much. I will switch to this 2 number round brush to do the beak of the snowman. For that, I will be using very light and watery this color, orange color, and we will just cover the whole beak with this color first. And now we will add other colors on top of it to give it even more 3D kind of a look. So I will take saturated color, the same color, and I will just wait a little bit for it to dry. Let's add the second layer of the color on this peak. So for that, I'm just going to add little kind of tiny lines or dots, whatever you can say, and add a little bit of filler at the bottom side of this beak. And lastly, while this is still there, I will use just a little bit of this what we call red ochre mixed with the same orange, because we want the colors to be symmetrical and not completely different. And I'm going to just drop this color here and give it a little more somewhere here, like that. So let's paint the eyes. And I forgot to put the the cheek, the color of the blush, so let's add that. I will use the little bit of this orange, just a dot, and then I'll clean my brush and just use water to spread it. Like that. And finally, let's add smile to our snowman. So for this, you just have to start, we already have made the lines, so just make some dots. It doesn't matter, they do not have to be equal. You just have to make dots and then a curvy small tiny line. So one can be big, some can be small. And that's our snowman. And I will add the buttons now. After everything has dried up, I will just dust off the salt and I will remove the tape from the edges as well. This is the final look, and I absolutely forgot to add the branch which acts as the arm of the snowman. So I will add it just now. So for that, it's very easy. You just have to make a branch like a ziggly line outwards and then add small branches attached to it. So this way our beautiful and very easy snowman is ready, and you can attach it to a bigger card for a greeting card. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.